Okay, let's get started. Logged in right now. Let's log into this. User. Oh, sorry. Alright. Next step. Open Microsoft Management Console. Click Start. Type Run. Open, type MMC. Okay. We're gonna click Yes. Now in the console root window, you can build a custom console. Click File. Add remove snap. Got it. Now it says in the add or remove snap-ins window, you can add a folder, snap-ins, scroll down available snap-ins. Pane to locate, select folder and click add folder. And add that. Okay. To add the link to the web address snap-ins, scroll down the available snap-ins. Right, select link to web address. Click add, gotcha. And we're going to put http://www.cisco.com. Just to play it safe, I'll probably just copy and paste it. See if it's the same thing. Oh, it doesn't even let me paste. Control V. Nope. Alright, I'll just type www.cisco.com. Double check. Cool. Click Next. In the friendly name for the link, enter Cisco. And click Finish. Got it. Create a custom management console. Let's see. To add snap-ins to the folder, snap-in, click Advanced. The Advanced window is open. Select Allow change in the parents. Wait, where is Advanced? Oh, okay, gotcha. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. Drop down menu appears. Parent snap-in. Parent snap-in. Select folder. Got it. Oh wait, no. Select folder. Add the following snap-ins from available. Snap-in. What's that mean? Computer management device. Oh, okay. We're gonna add those. Add the following snap-ins. Computer management, device management, display. Each is that. Click Finish to select the use. The snap-in to manage the local computer. Click OK to continue. Alright, so we're gonna add computer management. Local computer, right? Finish, yes. Device manager, gotcha. And disk management. Disk computer. Finish. Okay, click OK to continue. In the console window, right click the folder icon and select rename. Change the name of the folder to management tools. Right click folder icon. We're going to rename that to management tools. Got it. Okay. To save the custom console file, click File, Save As. Whoops. Let's cancel that. File, Save As. Change the file name to your name. So we'll change the file name to Ricardo's. Oops. Did that work? Okay, well, I guess it did. Ricardo. Change the save in box to desk, inbox to desktop. Oh no, might have messed that up. Let's do that again. File, save as, desktop. Ricardo console. Just do that. Hopefully that's okay. God, I see it there now. Close all open windows. On the desktop, double click the console icon that contains your name to reopen the console. Click the STL images. Alright, let's open that. Click yes. Okay. Review the management tools folder by double clicking on the tools. Okay. Within your custom console, navigate to the event viewer. Where would that be? Whoops. Maybe more actions? No. View. I cannot find that. Within your console, navigate to the event viewer. Can't find that. Maybe here. Let's click this. Maybe we can find it here. Search. Event viewer. I'm not finding it. What was about using the doesn't give me that. Let's check these. More actions maybe? No. More actions. No. More actions. No. Management tools. More actions. No, I have no idea where we can find that. Now let's go back. Action. Customize. Maybe this? We got that. Close the console window when you finish your review. Click no when prompted to save changes. No. Part 2. We're going to do the registry editor now. Change the desktop background settings. Right click desktop, select personalize. And what is the background picture? Currently the background picture is a blue screen. Looks like. Wait, to actually change these now. Actually, blue screen with the Windows icon. Windows 10, select solid color. Right. Choose blue. I think it was there. Choose a blue solid color. Gotcha. What this says. Close the settings window. The computer screen should not have blue background. If not, ask it to this is close all. Is there an apply maybe? Doesn't look like it worked. Colors. Clicked on this one. Should be blue. For some reason it's not blue. We'll press more time. I'm about to end. Dismiss. Yeah, I clicked on blue, so it should be working. Does it have it here? No. Hopefully it works. Automatically pick next. Alright, I mean, I clicked on it, and I'm not sure why it's not working. Okay, close the settings window. Computer should not have blue or flat. Close all of the windows. You saw how it's supposed to be blue. Now let's open the registry. To open the registry, click Start. Type. Let me lower this a little bit so you can see. Close these. Type regedit. And then we're going to open the register, click yes. Select and expand the H key current user. Click on that, okay. If not already expanded, expand control panel and click the control and click the colors folder. So control panel, new colors. I'm going to click on background. Okay. What is the data value of the background? It has three numbers like response, red, green, and blue. 099177. I believe that's the value. Yep, it says their value not set. So 099177. Okay. Let me just take a screenshot of that for the assignment. Perfect. And save that. Yes. Gotcha. Okay, let me close it now. Alright. You will export the H key current user panel colors folder. In the left pane, select colors folder. Alright. We're gonna export it. How do we do that? Export to desktop. Gotcha. Save the file to desktop name blue BKG. Probably for blue background. Save it. Got it. Desktop. At the desktop, right click the blue and select edit. Perfect. Ooh. Notepad opens, displaying the contents of blue. Okay, what is the data value of the background? Data value. I don't see it. I'm not sure where I can find it. So we have to close this now, but I did not find it. Data value, background. Oh, okay, background. For some reason, mine's not there. Oh yeah, it's actually right here. 099177. Perfect, got it. We're gonna close this now. Open the personalization window by right-clicking the desktop. Now I said to close this, so I'll just leave that open. Right-click, personalize. Desktop background. Select red. Oh wait, how do we do that? Close the personal. Open the personalization by right-clicking the desktop. Personalize. Yeah, it should be. Maybe if it's here. Desktop. Doesn't give us that option. Right, I'll just do it this way. Personalize. Background. Select a red background color. How do we do that? I'm not sure. Oh, let's change. No, it doesn't give us solid color. Oh, okay. There you go. There you go. That's how it's done. Okay, close the personalization window. I do have about, I think it stopped recording. Oh no, I only have 20 seconds left. Let me save this and I'll post another video. Okay, we stopped at setting the red background and then closing the personalization window. I'll have another video with